Hi guys. Hi. Hi Rimple. Hello. Hi Meenakshi. Hi Bhavna. Hi Shanaya. Hi Rimple. So we will wait for a few minutes. Let other people join and then we'll start it. Hi Vicky. Hi from Germany. Hi Karam. Hello Disha. Hi Lero. Hi Vicky. So today I'm going to teach you how we should cover the Nara resin or Nara coasters with our resin. Hi Dave. Hi Shimon. Hi Minu. Hi Ishita. So we should start with our Nara coasters now. See, these are the coasters, hexagon coasters I have as of now, white Nara coasters. It had covered with two sides brown paper. So one I have removed, another I am not going to remove it because whatever the resin drip, it will cover and it will not damage the backside of the hexagon coasters. So we will keep it as it is and we are doing the resin layer on this portion. So today we are not going to do the alcohol ink, we are only going to use the resin, how we should use the resin and cover the Nara coasters. So my name is Jalpa Bhatt. I am doing resin work since pretty long now. So I used to do the wall clock, geode and whatever the resin surface, we can use the resin on the flat surface. Okay, so now we are going to take the resin. So in market there are multiple types of resin available. So today I am going to take the resin which ratio is 2:1. So for resin we have to take resin with the help of measurement table. So today I am going to take 40 grams resin. Okay. Hi Ramaya. Hi Nirod. With 40 gram resin, this is 2:1 resin. So I am taking resin 40 grams and hardener which is 20 gram. You can take any resin and hardener for coating these coasters. So this is resin and this is hardener. We are going to mix this, okay? And today I am going to do the ocean beach effect on these coasters with the help of resin. So now we have to mix both the resin and hardener. It's necessary to mix it very well so that none of the part will be remain. Otherwise it will not dry forever. So we have to mix the resin and hardener with the help of spoon like this, each and every corner of the glass. and we have to mix it very well. We have to mix it for 2 to 3 minutes so that resin and hardener both will get mixed properly. Once it gets mixed properly, we can see the edges of the glass clearly, otherwise it will be opaque. We have to mix it properly. See, now it's clear, so it got mixed. Now we should take the 4 colors. One is blue, one is opaque, one is white, and another one is beige. So that we can take pigments, or even we can also take the mica powders which are available in the market. Currently I am using Bohri Ali as a brand for resin, and these are the pigment ratio we should take. Okay, so for white we have to take little bit more than what we are taking for other pigments. See, the white ratio will be little high. Now I am going to take the resin in 4 precautions. So protective layer, once if we use the resin, it is permanent, it will not damage our art. That's why it's necessary to use the resin layer after once we do our artwork on the coasters. So now I have taken all the 4 colors with resin. Now we have to mix it well. It is very necessary to keep our coasters on little bit higher than the surface, otherwise color will stick to the flooring. And make sure you can cover your flooring with any plastic bag or disposal bags. You should always wear hand gloves and mask. Currently I am not wearing it, otherwise if I should wear, then you will not able to hear me properly. That's why it's very necessary to use the hand gloves and the mask, respiratory mask, while you are working with resin, because these are harmful chemicals. Yes, we have to use hand gloves and mask both, and make sure you while working with resin, your room is properly ventilated. So we are mixing all the pigments and resin one by one. So this is beige, now aqua. So this way we have to mix it properly, otherwise the lumps will be there in the resin. You can use any mica powder or any pigments which are available in the market for resin. So this is the blue. This is Hexen resin. Currently I am using is Hexen Bahari Ali. Hi Amita. The ratio of this resin is 2:1. So we have to take resin 2 part and hardener 1 part. So now we have mixed it well, all the 4 colors. We should use it one by one on the coasters. Make sure your coasters are always on some disposal cup or glass so that it will not touch the surface. Hope you guys can see the coasters. Can somebody answer me? Is it properly viewable? So otherwise I should adjust it. Thank you, Cheers. Since it's a small size coasters, so we should not pour it directly with the help of glass. We should use this pop sticks to pour the colors so that it will not get rid of. The coasters are acrylic based coasters from Nara Papers. You can tap on the comment section so it will go down and you can see this easily. Yes, these are acrylic coasters. It's an acrylic base, white color. You will also get black color coasters and different shapes are also available on Nara website. The resin brand is Bahari Ali from Hexen's. Thanks, Ramaya. Since it's an acrylic base, you do not require to do the gesso or any other primer on this. You can directly apply the resin here. Yes, you can use resin on canvas board, but not directly. First you have to do the primer, 2 to 3 coats of primer, then you can use it on canvas board. So now we'll finish off with dark blue. Now we'll take the aqua. So we should use, so generally I prefer to use dark blue more, very less aqua shade, and then beige. So we'll do the waves with white color. Let it mix a little bit. If it is difficult to work with during summer, like petri dishes. Yes, during summer, resin will get thicker very easily. Very, like its pot life is very less, so we have to work it fast. For alcohol inks, yes, now you can use the acrylic base is the best, and even the Nara also have some papers which you can use for alcohol inks. If I missed out any question, we'll take it at last, because we'll have one Q&A session. Fine. So we'll pop the bubbles with the help of butane torch. Now we'll take the beige color. So one best thing which I like for Nara coasters is the edges. They will hold the colors, so color will not drop down easily. So we are done with the beige color. Now we'll go for the white and the waves. Let me put some dark blue here. So currently I am covering the coasters, acrylic Nara coasters with resin and doing ocean effect on it. With the help of pop stick I can mix it, the shade, so it gives us the effect of waves little bit. So now I will go with the white. Before white, we put some transparent resin on that. So before putting the white, we'll wait for a few minutes because for waves we have to make it little bit thicker, that the color should be little bit and resin will be little bit thicker, otherwise the waves effect will can't get. So we have to wait for a few minutes. Once it gets thicker, we'll apply it and then we'll use the heat gun for the waves. Some bubbles on beige color to let pop it with heat gun. For the waves you can also use the heat gun or the straw. So I'm going to take the heat gun. With that we can make the waves. We'll take it on. This is the heat gun. We'll take the low flame to make the waves. slowly from bottom to up we have to drag it. These are the ways we are completed it with. Once we finish up with the heat gun, we'll do it to pop up the bubbles. We should use the butane torch. And finally the finishing part of this. If any borders will remain uncolored, we have to use it. And lastly we should go with the shells on it, since it's a ocean pole. Thank you, Ampul. So these are the coasters ready with the resin coat on it. Hope you guys can see it properly. So any question regarding it? Thanks, Rashmi. Brinda, it's an heat gun. It's an heat gun. Thanks, Sophia. Thanks, Ricky. Silicone with resin. You can use resin and silicone as a bottom to make the molds. Silicone molds are available in the market. You can use resin in it. Small one, it's in butane torch. Rashmi, for alcohol ink, you have to, before resin on alcohol ink, you have to make sure you can do the coating of UV varnish. You have to make 3 to 4 coats of Kumar varnish and 2 coats of UV varnish. My Insta ID is art_by_Jalpa, JALPA. Thanks, Samani. Brinda, which kind of borders you want to give it to coasters? Since these are acrylic coasters, it's not required to give a border. But if you are using it on silicone mold for resin coasters, then you can use any golden powder with varnish. Yes, you can use it golden powder or mica powder with any varnish. Or even the golden colors are also available, which are gel based. You can apply it directly on the coasters, and those are waterproof. You can use any butane torch available. There are multiple brands available for this kind of gas torch. You can use it any. Thanks, Baudat. Can we do same process on MDF big size surface? Yes, Ricky, you can do the same process for MDF also, but before applying resin on MDF, you have to do 2 to 3 coats of primer or gesso on that. Otherwise, resin will suck by the MDF. So guys, 2 minutes more. If any questions, any doubts? Thank you for this. Let's save it. Ricky, primer gesso you can use. So guys, now I'm just stopping this live. Thank you so much.